with coverage you can count on. This is WNEM TV5 News.
Mistrial. The judge in the Flint Water Bellwether trial has declared a mistrial after requests from the jury. Thanks for watching the news at 6. I'm David Custer.
And I'm Meg McLeod. According to court officials, the jury says it could not continue deliberating because it caused too much emotional and physical distress. TV5's James Felton has more from officials who had a role in navigating the city through this water crisis.
The bad thing is it's not surprising. It doesn't seem to be too surprising because that's how everything has gone, or so much has gone when you look at the water crisis.
Former Flint Mayor Karen Weaver reacting to the mistrial of the Flint Water Bellwether trial. A federal judge declared a mistrial after the 8-member jury told the court they were hopelessly deadlocked. A note from jurors to the judge said that, for the physical and emotional health of the jurors, we don't believe we can continue with further deliberations. Further deliberations will only result in stress and anxiety with no unanimous decision, without someone having to surrender their honest convictions solely for the purpose of returning a verdict.
I'm sure it is stressful, and I'm sure it is emotionally, just something to go through. But on the other hand, like I said, that's what the residents have been going through, and it's been 8 long years.
Reverend Charles Williams II, president of the Michigan chapter of the National Action Network, believes the jury could not reach a unanimous decision because people like former Governor Rick Snyder, who many blame for the Flint water crisis, did not testify during the trial by exercising his Fifth Amendment right.
Only folks we never heard from were the folks who actually pushed the buttons and pulled the levers. And, I think the jury made it very clear that can you blame someone or can you blame a corporation or can you blame a company or a consultant for the work that they did when they only did the work that they was ordered to do?
For her part, Weaver believes this is another example of justice denied for people who have endured so many injustices.
It's sad because every way people think that they can turn, every way we think we can go down this avenue to get some justice, to get some fairness, we get turned down every single way.
James Felton, WNEM TV5.
While a mistrial was granted, that does not mean the end of the case. It means the judge has halted the trial before it concludes. Now, in many cases, the prosecutor will be allowed to retry the case, as seen in the Governor kidnapping plot trial against Adam Fox and Barry Croft Jr. Now, since the mistrial was requested by the jury, double jeopardy principles cannot prohibit a second trial. New